How to make auto scroll on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I will be guiding you on how to make auto scroll on TikTok. Firstly, go to your TikTok app and you are on the For You page. Hold your finger on a video like this and then it's going to open up this menu here. As you can see, we get a few different options, and at the top row of options here we actually have one for auto scroll. To activate auto scroll, all you need to do is tap on it like this. As you can see, it now says next post will be shown automatically. So for now, play this video and the next video will automatically scroll. There you go, you have successfully make auto scroll on TikTok. That's wrap for today. If you guys enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.